Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I will talk about the conservation of energy. We will see how potential energy is conserved and transformed to other kind of energy. To be more specific, we will see how potential energy stored in a bow is conserved and transformed to kinetic energy through the arrow. As Lavoisier said, nothing is lost, nothing is created, everything is transformed. And this philosophy applies to energy as well. In our first picture, we can see two bows with two different colors. The difference between the bows is the power. The blue one is more powerful and have 3 lbs in power, and the second one, the yellow one, have 22 pound in power. So we'll see how this difference in power, what means that the difference in potential energy may affect its transformation and its conservation. The first main thing we should know in archery is that the string is not elastic. As the string is held back, the limbs of the bow are under tension and are bent, storing potential energy. The more the limbs are bent, the more potential energy is stored in the bow. When the string is released and the arrow is launched, the potential energy stored in the bent limbs is transferred to the arrow in the form of kinetic energy. Now in the two next videos we will try to shoot the arrow with the different bows. So when the arrow are shot with two different bows, the one shot with the more powerful one reaches a greater height and hit the target deeper. It's normal due to the power of the bow. The more power we have, the more potential energy is stored in the bow. So as we said, this potential energy will be converted to kinetic energy. So the more kinetic energy we'll have, and with the more kinetic energy we have, the more velocity we'll have. And if the velocity is higher, when the arrow will touch the target, it will be in greater height and it will hit the target deeper. One other thing we should mention is it's an experience called die fire, and it consists of shooting without an arrow in the bow. So when we shoot with a bow without an arrow, all the energy stored in the bow will be transferred to the string. And as we know, the string is not elastic and we don't have an arrow on it. So the energy stored in the string will come back to the bow and will destroy it. It's what we see in this video.